Heal. A word to those going through divorce, right? If you're going through divorce now, say you and your spouse have a good social circle, you got friends, family, what happens is while you're going through that divorce, you will have a lot of friends who want to hear what's going on. They will be calling you constantly. Oh, how is it now? What's happening now? They'll support you. They will say, we're here for you. We're going to hear you out. We're listening. And some will be like, what? He did what? She did what? I would never. I would leave right away. No, they wouldn't. At the same time, you got all these people and you feel like you got a massive support network. You got all these people who are out there for you. That's how it looks, right? Because people call you because, well, they want a bit of gossip. You know, they have problems of their own. How do you switch off? Let's hear her problem. Let's hear his problem. I don't know why, but it makes people feel good when they hear about other people's problems. So they will listen to your problems. And then when they get off the phone, they call the next friend to tell them what you just said. Oh, this is what he or she is going through now. You know, if you got kids, you'll have people saying to you, oh, don't worry, I'll look after your kids. I'll help you with the kids. You don't have to worry. We're here. We love you. Yeah. And then it actually feels like you're gonna be just fine. I'll leave him. I'll have all these people help me with the kids. I'll leave her. I'll have all these people to lean on, to talk to. Once they get the confirmation that it's finished, you're finished, you've gone your separate ways, it's over, you will hardly get a phone call from those people. They're just not there anymore. The drama's over. They don't care anymore. They're not going to be there to support you either. You're going to go through a lot of pain, emotional pain. Okay? The pain of losing your family is the first. And then you realize that, guess what? I've also lost a big chunk of friends that I used to think I had. Yeah, friends that were with you just because of your social status at the time, they do disappear. And if one partner has more money than the other, the friends tend to go that side. They will choose to be with the one with money. I don't know. It just happens that way. They will abandon you right there and then. Women who you thought were cool with you start to look down on you. They never look at you the same again. Okay? Those friends that said we're going to help with the kids, they ain't going to be nowhere to be found. They're not going to help you with those kids. Okay, so when you're making your decisions, make sure you're making your decisions for the right reason. Don't think you're making this decision because all these people are hyping me up to do this. Is that the best decision for you? You want to leave this person? Is that what you really want to do? And not what everybody's telling you you should do? Because it's only you that's going to suffer those consequences. Most things that people end up divorcing for, the reasons, are things that can be worked out. People end up divorcing because of petty issues they could have worked out. They turn moles into mountains because they just went and spoke to the wrong people. Stop talking to people about your problems. Some problems are so small. If you want to talk to your partners, talk to your spouse and work it out. But if you go to another person, they'll be like, what? You let her do that to you? You let him do the dramatics of it all. And then you come back feeling like, he did that to me. And then it's big. It grows into your head. It grows. It's nothing but because you're letting other people feed into it. It grows into something it's actually really not. If you ask half of the people that are divorced, why are you divorced? They can't even really pinpoint what happened. Oh, we just grew apart. I just didn't love them anymore. Just because someone said, I don't think you really love them, you know. Be careful who you listen to. Be careful who you talk to, you know. So before you go through with it, just check, is it really worth it? It's not only going to affect you, it will also forever affect your children. I know you shouldn't stay with someone just because of the kids, but just take your time and think about it before you go through with it. Is it something you can work out? If it's abuse, definitely go. But otherwise, you know, think about it.